To Fáilte, Mór, Riv, Leganshaw and you're all extremely welcome today. It's fabulous to see so many people here for this workshop this morning.
Hello, my name's Lucy Johnstone. I'm a clinical psychologist. I'm very pleased to be here in Belfast today to talk about new ways forward in mental health. It seems like a particularly good time to be here because of the Bluebell Festival, which is running, which is talking about very similar things, community, solidarity and well-being. So I'm looking forward to the day.
So I'm Sarah Boyce and I'm an organiser with the New Script for Mental Health campaign. So the campaign was launched back in February of last year, 2023, but there's been a mental health rights campaign going for the last 15 years or more. And the campaign is really people coming together who are saying that the current approach to mental health is failing everybody, failing people who really need support for the stress they're experiencing, the families that are trying to support people, but also people working in mental health services and the wider community.